start off with damp hair, apply 2 to 3 pumps of oil and then massage it throughout your hair. Focus on the bottom half of your hair and the ends. And then take 2 to 3 pumps of hair styling serum and massage it throughout your hair and focus on the ends. This will keep your hair looking shiny and nourished after you open the braid. Then just tie a French braid till the very end and tie it with the elastic. I tie my braid in the afternoon and open it the next morning so I get tight waves. But you can do it the way you like and according to your preference. Now it's the next morning and this is the time when I open my braid. And that's it. I'm ready to go. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button below. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.